Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This soundbar is JBL Bar 800. What I want to do is to show you how to reset this soundbar. So I'm going to switch the TV on, then switch the soundbar on and select Bluetooth, showing us BT connecting. Go to your TV setting, scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us TV speaker. You need to select on the sound out. Scroll down to the side to Bluetooth. Scroll down to device list. Select enter. It's now searching for available Bluetooth device. Now look for JBL Bar 800. Scroll down. Select connect JBL. Select connect. And it's connected. JBL Bar 800 is connected. It will show you the TV. Now we're going to go to YouTube. Due to copyright issue, I'm only going to play audio from my YouTube channel. So select YouTube. Today I want to show you the process of signing up. This is the audio. We're going to sign up. Now what I want us to do is to show you how to reset this soundbar. And if you reset this, it will show you reset and will disconnect from the TV. And the TV speaker will show only. So for you to reset this, you need to press plus and minus button and source together for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And it will show you reset. Now it's loading and it will disconnect from the TV. So this is how to reset it. And now it's loading. Then if you go to your TV settings, scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us TV speaker. So this is how to reset it. And it's showing us that it's still loading. So for you to reconnect it, you need to wait for the soundbar to be ready. And it will show you TV, Wi-Fi network setup. Then you need to start afresh to reconnect the soundbar. So we're going to wait for the process to complete. We'll show you hello TV. Setup, Wi-Fi setup. So it will show you hello TV's Wi-Fi setup. So this is how to reset this soundbar completely. Thank you very much indeed.